All right, so let's consider this question on the board. Square root of 3 plus a over 2 equals to 8. So what we are going to do to solve this, we have to first of all cross multiply. So if we cross multiply this equation, we are going to, here is over 1, all right? Don't forget. So this times this is going to give us root, all right, 3 plus a. Root 3 plus a equals to 2 times 8, all right? Now, root 3 plus a, we are going to have root 3 plus a, which is equals to 2 times 8 will give us 16, okay? So now, we are looking for the value of a. For us to get the value of a, we have to square both sides. So, square both sides. So, if we square both sides, we are going to have root 3 plus a all squared equals to 16 square, all right? So, this square, we cancel out these roots, okay? So, we are left with 16 square give us 256, okay? So we have 3 plus a equals to 16 raised to the power of 2 will give us 256. Now to get our value of a, these 3 will move to this side and it will become minus. If this 3 move to this side, it will change to minus because it's crossing the equals to sign, all right? So we are going to have a, which is equals to 256 minus 3. So our a will now be what? 256 minus 3 will give us 253. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Bye.